pass goes awry. Matt Mahoney restarting Echeverria. Out to the left wing. Galena. Echeverria, nice touch. Galena in tight. Deflected and rolled in. Galena to Echeverria, and it's 2-1. Yuma can only do so much.
Then Galena's got that extra fast touch.
That's Zack Sandy.
Just did not stop.
So Sandy scores the goal in the 54th minute, and well done, International and Evan Newton. He takes his time and rolls it in. It's 3-1, Switchbacks FC. And Locomotive with another multi-goal comeback needing to be made versus Switchbacks if they want any points out of tonight. A little extra time. Gets Newton to go the wrong way. Native of El Paso, his dad played for the Patriots back in the day. Pretty cool to be 16, see your first professional action and score your first pro goal. Here though, Switchbacks on the counter. Galena, it's 4. Oh, that was too easy.
Yeah,
Just ripping Locomotive apart. Galena is going to get dizzy with the number of flips he's had to make tonight.
Getting just beat on the transition.
Off the left foot this time. Great pass in from Enriquez.